Yes, the recording has been started. So, hey all, we are back again here in this college canteen.
Hi
Yeah.
everyone.
Hey,
Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone. Hello everyone, and we are back with new episode of our beloved. So
yes. So, as you can see, like what we are going to discuss today, and it's nothing but not invented here syndrome. Yes, it's a three
yeah,
word syndrome and it exists. So,
yeah, it's
mhm.
so.
Yes.
Let me first of all let me define the what is not invented here syndrome. Okay,
Yeah,
so I will
sure.
just read it out the definition by scientist and all. So
Mm-hmm.
it is just as normal thing, not liking to use or be in contact with the products, research or knowledge or
Mm-hmm.
things developed outside a group or a company or a common idea. Like we can take an example of like we are a group of five people here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
we are not liking any idea or any things or any knowledge or some kind of stuffs
Mm-hmm.
developed or told by another people, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that feeling and that sense is called not invented here syndrome.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's as basic as like everyone I think like gets this.
Hmm. Like whenever there is difference in ideology, then
Yeah,
this could happen, basically.
Yeah.
yeah, this happens.
Mm-hmm.
And and it is like the explanation of this syndrome is uh, more what we say, it's more interesting to discuss on that, like why it happens and how it happens and what are the components of it, okay. So let me dive deep into this. So
Mm-hmm.
it is related to one of the cognition biases. Cognition biases is cognition, as you know that cognition is a process of learning, okay. Getting knowledge is called cognition.
Okay.
How our brain perceives things and learn things is called cognition in
Okay.
scientific words.
Mm-hmm.
So it's related to one of the cognition biases called IKEA effect, okay. IE
IKEA effect.
IKEA effect. Yeah,
IKEA.
and
Okay.
there is no full form of IKEA of
Mm-hmm.
a scientific term. IKEA is just a company.
Yeah, even I was thinking about that. It's somehow.
Yeah, IKEA is a company, and
Mm-hmm.
what it does is it sells furnitures, okay,
Furnitures.
and furnitures which are not assembled.
Okay, so we have to
It
assemble it our
sells,
own.
yeah, you have to assemble it, and the ideology behind that is you like the things more, you do it yourself. You care the
Okay.
and you like and you think that the value of this is more if you do it by yourself. That is the
Mm-hmm.
main ideology of that company. They sell their products at high prices, and the customers buy at high prices because they have to do that by yourself, and they find more valuable later after assembling the products.
Mm-hmm. So that's how they are dealing with utilizing this syndrome
Yeah,
by
so
marketing this somehow. Mm-hmm.
yeah, it was coined in around 2012 IKEA effect. So, what are your views on the IKEA effect, and what are your views on why we do more like the things which we do it yourself, and we care more about things which are ours and we do it by ourselves?
I have to think a
Anyone?
little. Yeah, I have to think a little bit about it.
Yeah, like what are your views on that? Let's just talk about the strategy of that company, IKEA, if you
Mm-hmm.
are having something in your mind.
Like, okay, if I had to say, like building our own things, right? Like DIY, do it yourself. So these
Yeah,
things basically it adds value to the product, to the thing itself. Like
yeah,
you can think it as you are cooking a pizza on your own and you are buying it from
yeah,
Domino's. You are getting it delivered by Domino's or something. So definitely
yeah,
you'll enjoy the food cooked by yourself more than the food
yeah.
you have delivered. So that's, I think that's that could be an analogy for this thing,
Yeah,
that
let me
company
give you one
basically.
example. Like when baking soda was invented, okay. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
not baking soda. Cake mix was once invented.
Cake mix,
So
okay.
when the cake mix invented, you just have to make cake of toppings. You just have to pour it in a utensil and just put it in the oven, okay, and it will be ready.
Okay, yeah.
But
Okay.
it was not that much success. Why?
Okay.
Because the housewives, the women who baked, didn't like the idea, like their whole what we say, their work is just
Wrapped
reduced to
into
so little bit.
single
Yeah.
packet, right?
Yeah.
So, but after what the company surveyed and collected information, what they did is, now you have to put an egg into that mix,
Mm-hmm.
then it will be ready to bake. So like getting your work, putting your efforts into a work makes it more worth, and
Mm-hmm.
more valuable to you,
Right.
instead of just doing it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Yeah.
the yeah, human working of some kind of human mind, and it is manipulated by companies and all. So
Yeah.
IKEA used it in a very good manner.
Mm-hmm. Even I think like every people, like the things a little differently. Like they want to be get out of the ordinary thing. Like if a
Yeah,
company is producing mass units, and if you are, if you are you are going to have one of these units, so you will not be feel much special. But if you have to assemble the same unit by yourself, or you have to, you have some kind of customization on that product, so you will find it more valuable later after. So
yeah,
that's the thing.
obviously.
IKEA has evolved and developed. And Amit, Pranjal, Rishabh, what do you think
Yeah,
about this
if you are
product?
having something in
Mm-hmm.
your mind, we can discuss it. Or if it is not like topic is not so much relevant, or it is just going, like not
You are
worth, we
just
can discuss on
you are
something
talking
else.
about the company market strategy.
Yeah.
No, we are just discussing the whole thing, like the mind, how the psychology of the human
Yeah.
works, and
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
transmitted into marketing and all.
The cheapest marketing idea was from the Starbucks. When Starbucks are invented, I think in 991, yeah, 992, they planned that
Mm-hmm.
they throw the vacant coffee vacant
Mugs.
coffee cups.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, everyone think that it is so good, so this product is so selling, have much selling, and
Yeah,
everyone start
buying
drinking
it.
coffee of Starbucks.
Yeah,
I
I
think
heard the
it's
same story by
for
Red Bull
Red
also,
Bull.
right?
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
because
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Red Bull.
Red Bull copied that. This is very
Oh,
famous
Okay.
story by the Starbucks.
Mm-hmm.
nice. Actually, Red Bull, what Red Bull did is, they putted cans and the clubs and all, empty cans and filled cans in the clubs and all, wherever they get the tables, the like the desk, and wherever they get place to put it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a nice marketing strategy, we can say.
Yeah.
And let me ask you one question. If you guys having answer, then you can answer it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like how people value the things more if they have made it. Like what are your views on it?
I think I have already like
Again,
said most of the things related to it.
Yeah, but
Let
it's a question for Pranjal, Amit, and Rishabh,
Yeah.
if you have answered it.
repeat the
Can
question.
you repeat the
Can you
question?
repeat it again?
Yeah, I'm repeating it. It's a very basic question. How people value the things more if they have made it or if they have created it.
It is an awesome feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically, but the fact is that if we get the things without any struggle and without any process, we
Yeah,
didn't respect that things.
Right, right,
yeah,
right.
Yeah. And second thing is just a famous dialogue of Games of Thrones is that we want every doesn't matter what we want, if we get it, we want something else.
oh,
Wow. That's nice.
nice.
Yeah. No, actually, this is the fact. If
Mm-hmm.
if we do not struggle for anything, we
Yeah,
can't expect anything.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
it is right.
It is applicable for everything: market, human nature, and
Everything, anything.
almost friendship, relationship,
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Right, right.
yeah,
Actually, it is fact. Whatever we built on, and then I enjoyed.
Okay. What are your take on it, Pranjal?
Pranjal?
My view
Yeah.
about this.
Yeah, valuing your created things, your made things.
How I can means
Like whatever is coming in your mind, like if you have made something and you value it more, what's the thing and what's the feeling actually associated with it?
I think when we made or create something means we give that means 1 minute means we donate our all thing means a time and ideas imaginations and everything means that in that so we think that it is like means uh, a part of our body like means it is attached us and we think that it is like
We
means
value it
what
more.
yeah like
Okay. So
and
that, yeah, say.
nothing just saying.
Okay, Akhil, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
You and Aditya.
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
Actually, I don't know about syndrome,
Mm-hmm.
but
Okay.
whatever you guys are saying, uh, I think as you are saying, syndrome, I think it is a symptom that occur together and characterization, like abnormality or like this.
I'm not
We are
actually
talking
getting
about the
what.
psychological
Yeah,
things, actually.
psychological thing. Like it's not invented
Yeah.
here syndrome.
Uh,
It's just
Syndrome,
like
anything. We are
one
talking
kind
about the
of,
psychological
yeah.
fact.
Yeah, there are many cognitive
Hmm.
biases and many syndromes which
Huh.
exist in psychological world actually.
Hmm.
Last time we
Mm,
discussed imposter syndrome. Okay, so this week we came up
okay.
with not invented syndrome, and it's
Hmm.
just a basic thing, like it happens with us, and we even don't know that it is really a syndrome or some kind of psychological thing.
Right.
So that's
Okay,
why,
okay.
we are coming every week with some kind of this stuff. So one of the answer of this, like why we value our things and why we value things which we made is
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
actually to prove our competence. Okay, so
Okay. Yes.
actually when we make something, yeah, when you
Hmm.
make something you feel confidence first of all,
Yeah.
and
Yeah, yeah,
up
it's
and
obvious.
boost in your morality. Okay, like I can make it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so and from where and why this feeling generates of being competent is from incapability. Okay, when
Mm-hmm.
you were in when you were not capable of doing something earlier. Okay, so that fuels the coming task or coming challenge as a competent thing, like you prove yourself by doing some stuff or by creating something. It's just not the, the process of creation is very interesting, it's very enjoyable. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
when it gets done you feel a satisfaction, sense of satisfaction when you create by yourself. So satisfaction comes in the way, confidence comes in the way, and proving yourself competent proves in the way. Okay, obviously every human being likes to get respect and show themselves as a confidence and a competent people. So those are the things behind it.
Yeah, like every human beings want them to be liked by
Yeah,
some person.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's a human
So
nature.
I will tell one more what jargon, and a word which related to this psychology and stuff. It's called endowment effect. Okay, I'm telling about this a little. Everyone knows about the things, but actually the terms are little bit
Terminology.
odd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called endowment effect. You must have listened about endowment plans and etc. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just
Yeah.
typing the spelling of endowment. and it's very, like when I will tell you about the endowment effect, you will like, yeah, we do it. So endowment effect is like when you like and when you love your things more than anyone others. You value your things more, just like that.
Okay, that's simple.
Yeah, very simple. It's
Yeah.
called endowment effect. You
Okay.
prone to like your things, you value your things, not you created, okay? Your things.
Just your
Hmm.
things.
Example is a very, 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 very basic example.
Eraser.
Let No, no, not eraser. Just like when you are sitting near mm, you are sitting in a chair, okay, in a bus for 30 minutes.
Okay,
You
yeah.
will just okay, you are and you will feel a sense of this chair is yours.
Yeah. Totally.
You will
Yeah.
not if you will get up from there and someone else sit, you will prove your what we say your ownership on that chair.
Right,
So
right.
that little bit of thing comes from the endowment effect, okay. And
Okay.
yeah, and I would like to give one example of not invented here syndrome. It's a very harsh example I'm going to give you. So all of you guys know Nikola Tesla,
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
We know.
and
Great
every one
scientist.
of you yeah, and every one of you know Thomas Edison, okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
yeah.
Yeah, and you too, and you guys too know that they are sort of rivalry. They have some
Yeah.
kind of rivalry.
Yeah.
Thomas Edison had, not actually Nikola Tesla.
Hmm.
Okay, so when the war between DC current and AC current was on fire, so Thomas Edison was very rich guy. Okay, he was a businessman kind of thing.
Yeah.
So he has all the money in the world, but Nikola Tesla was a struggling scientist. He has
Hmm.
he has whole brain. He has a hell lot of brain in his head, and Nikola Tesla has hell lot of money in his pocket. Okay, so it was a fight between money and the brain. So what Thomas Edison did was very much horrific. He killed an elephant just to prove that how much AC current is dangerous.
That's inhuman.
He,
Oh,
yeah, he gave shock to a elephant just to prove that how cruel and how dangerous the AC current is. Just to prove that DC current is more, like safe than that. And why it came? It's just because this syndrome, not invented here syndrome, he didn't like the idea of Nikola Tesla.
Nikola Tesla.
Yeah, and it generally happens in a company. Okay, when the company's people or CEO or the board members are suffering from this syndrome, actually the company starts to downfall. Okay, they not accept the feedback of the what we say
People are the
customers.
company. Yeah.
Yeah, and they not consider the feedback of other people.
Right,
So
right.
there are many examples in the history which are related to these syndromes. Uh, Sorry, it was
Like
my
we
fault
don't
that
like Oppo and Vivo mobiles.
yeah, what open view mobiles.
Means like is like a syndrome, I think.
I'm
I
actually
don't
not
like.
getting it.
Yeah, Pranjal. Say
First you
again,
complete
bro.
and after I explain it.
Yeah,
No, no,
you
you
explain it. I
can
am done.
explain. Yeah.
You will explain, bro.
Means like you said that like he is not like AC current and means he want to like prove that DC current.
Yes.
So like that we use like other company mobiles like Samsung and means
Oh yeah,
Nokia and Apple. These like good companies, and we don't like China product
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
Oppo
yeah,
and Vivo. So it is like a syndrome, I think.
yeah. You don't like the idea and ideology behind those companies and all.
Ah,
So
Right,
that's
yeah,
the
right.
yeah.
thing. Yeah. So let me just cover the symptoms of these. Okay.
Yeah.
So
That's right.
first symptom is a boundary of knowledge between two entities.
Surely.
So
Like
Okay.
we can create
so
a Venn diagram and they will not intersect.
hmm.
yeah, they will not intersect. And I will tell you about the second, and I want to know your things about that. So an irrational and non-illogical evolution of someone else's idea. So these two are the major symptom of what we say
Okay.
not invented here syndrome.
Okay. It means that two different perspectives of
Yeah,
same.
collide. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. But like even if you are not just you are not admitting someone else's idea.
Mhm.
That is the thing. You are, like when and there are several reasons. Your ego, some kind of things come in between, and you just don't like.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But if I'm not wrong, I also get some like these two thoughts only. Like whenever I get into my
Actually, I
deep.
think that our surrounding environment made that means we use our Indian product and we don't use like other countries product. So that environment made this syndrome means
Oh,
not
no, 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 no.
invented.
You are
No, no,
getting in
no.
a wrong path. Actually, not invented
Yeah,
here is
yeah,
not the invention thing. Actually, it's just the idea thing. Like invention thing, and it's
It
more of Swadeshi kind
means
of thing.
not means not due to that means our mind
Yeah, yeah,
in
it's a
develop that.
bigger,
Mhm.
yeah, it's a bigger thing
Uh,
when you talk about that. But we are talking about not invented is just not owning the idea or just not owning the things.
Yeah.
And yeah,
it happens, but it is like a non-invented syndromes.
yeah, and yeah. Let me say you one more thing, okay?
Mm.
So Sony Walkman was a market capturer for a long
Yeah,
period of
long
time
time.
in the
Yeah.
music
Yeah,
and cassette
in
tapes, okay?
electronic.
Right, right.
But when MP3 format was invented, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So Sony denied to use it,
Yes,
Yeah, because
I
same
and
the
it was
same.
not their idea because it was just not their idea, and Apple captured it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see that Sony Walkman is now nowhere.
Yeah, right.
And same thing happened with Kodak also. Kodak was a
Yeah,
camera, you all
mm-hmm.
knew that
Yeah,
you
yeah.
must have
Kodak.
used that Kodak
yes,
films and all.
yes,
Yeah, right.
But when digital cameras came, that
Mm-hmm.
digital format was not what we say accepted by the Kodak.
Mm-hmm.
It was not actually that thing about Kodak. There were like different reasons. I actually not remembering that, but one of the reason is this, I can guess.
Mm-hmm.
So they haven't, turned into
Yeah,
this idea
they
of
didn't
digital and all.
adopted this idea,
So they
right?
lost. And same thing with Nokia
Nokia
also.
also. They didn't adopted Android. I was just
yes.
Yeah,
about to talk
yeah.
about that.
It's just not go with the flow. It's just
Mm.
adopting ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Just due to us, you can see that huge companies can go deep down just because of this simple and common cognitive biases.
Right, right, right.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and let's just treat the disease. It's not actually a disease. It's just a thing which comes and go. So like how we can choose the ideas and how you can cure this disease. Not a disease, actually a syndrome.
Mm-hmm.
So first is,
Increase your knowledge.
logic, n- not yeah. First of all, increase your knowledge. Obviously, that's a basic thing. But second is, like thinking more rationally, more
Rest.
logically,
Mm-hmm. Right.
rather than your preconceptions and all.
Mm-hmm.
And second is, uh, so yeah, idiosyncratic fit. It's just a term. It's just your beliefs and your what we say,
Yeah, you have to
your
be
preconce
flexible with it. Just don't be
yeah, based
rigid.
on.
Yeah, just don't be rigid with your beliefs. Is I if I'm not getting it right, wrong, right again.
Yeah, you are right, absolutely right. And actually, I thought that it will be a better session, but it went so much technical and all that stuff. So next time, whenever we will do this, I will definitely be sending you articles about things. So
Yeah, no
it
problem.
was my bad.
No, no, it is a good session. Yeah,
I'm
Yeah,
sending
it's
you.
awesome session.
I'm sending you a article
mm-hmm.
about not invented here syndrome. If you guys are interested, then you can read that. And
Yeah,
Okay,
it
yeah.
was,
okay.
Okay, okay.
yeah, and you will.
But
I liked what more about this is the market stuff. Okay, like
mm-hmm.
how it cleaned a huge Sony Walkman company and that AC versus DC war.
Right, right, right.
So you can share your views on this, and I am done with. I have spoken a lot.
Yes, Pranjal, Rishabh, Amit, if you guys have anything.
No, no, no.
Anything
Actually,
related to
It's
market?
it's a clear.
Yes, Amit.
actually everyone have his own perception. He create own perception, and that perception in future it look like as I think syndrome.
No, no, perceptions are not actually syndromes. There are little bit
No,
distortion
no,
in your
not
like.
not syn. I mean,
So
it is not syndrome, but in future many perception which is stored in our mind that
Can lead to a
made
syndrome,
a
right?
like
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
generate a syndrome.
Yeah, yeah,
Right,
yeah,
right,
yeah.
right.
You can say that, but like the thing is, we are if we will know those things, it's very much natural to have these. Okay, but when you don't need it actually, and knowing this, knowing the scenario when you have to overcome the syndrome is very much important.
Yeah.
If you don't know that it is actually a thing which can be escaped and which can be like cured, then you will you are able to make a better decision actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Actually,
not. Yeah, yeah, Pranjal.
this is the main reason that when company falls down means I think yeah you are right means that if he looks means the company looks their weak part means their weak part and they focus on their weak part and they look means surrounding and environment. I correct just
Yeah,
want to correct my points.
Okay.
So that means he looks if he looks that environment and surrounding, he correct that and he correct also that they are weak part. So the fall down of that he company
Company.
it yeah it reduce means it
Yeah,
reduce and that syndrome will be means it under the control.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you are right. So that could be done. If you guys having any questions regarding this, you can you are free to ask. If you I know the things, and I will able to answer that. If just in case.
okay, what happen if we get the more than the more than the expectation?
Like more than
What
sufficient.
actually in what in creating something?
Yeah, in targeting something, in just like we are talking about the company
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
benefits, profits,
yeah,
etc.
yeah, yeah. You just
Yeah,
get made. You just become mad, and you just like you are overwhelmed with the expectation,
Overthinker.
and
yeah, but you think we have we get the overconfidence, I think.
yeah, one of the thing is when and it really
The negative parts,
yeah,
beside the emotional way, of
yeah,
course we get happy when we get the get 200 rupees instead of 100 rupees.
Right, right,
yeah,
right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
basically,
Pranjal, say it.
overachieving. Yeah, yeah, Pranjal.
Pranjal is something.
In this COVID-19, that many people not want to use that means sanitizer. So means what what they think by psychological means how they think means if you give that sanitizer, use please the sanitizer. He says that it cause many means negative things like. So it is like a syndromes means they don't want to use means
Yeah, right.
in
Yeah,
once in a day means
yeah.
totally they
I will search about these things, like why it's actually a obsessive obsession, some kind of things. So we can talk about obsessive compulsive disorder. That is a very much like common thing happening to everyone, but actually we are not addressing it. And so we can talk about this someday. And it's a
I
really
think
interesting topic.
I think in this case people are careless.
Yeah, they are careless,
yeah
but
due to
but
careless due to syndrome the
actually
careless happens.
yeah, carelessness actually I'm taking like like we just tell the things like it's ego, it's anger, it's this, but
This yeah right.
there are far more things than that. So Rishabh started about overachieving things. Okay, so
yeah,
overachievement first brings overconfidence, first thing. So
Yeah, yeah.
what are the other things we have to answer it to Rishabh? Okay, Rishabh will not answer the everything.
So overachieving leads to what, right? That's the question.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
So yeah, obviously the first thing is overconfidence. The person gets overconfident,
yeah,
and I think one more thing is that like overachieving, proves his or her knowledge, like proves their knowledge. so it somehow they like bounded to that particular knowledge what they have. Like they are less, adaptive to new knowledge. They are not liking to get in new stuff in their heads. So that, yeah, I think that is one of the things overachieving
Yeah.
can lead to.
Yeah. Pranjal, do you have something to say about overachievement? A thing which is derived from overachievement. You can take your time because I have something.
You first.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, overachievement actually what it does after you overachieve something, it just reduces and halves your growth. You just feel little bit relaxed, and that
Yeah,
relaxation is harmful for you. Yeah, it
Right.
is due to overconfidence, but also due to that thing. Like you feel more relaxed that I can relax now for some amount of time. And one better thing or a great thing we can like derive from overachievement is valuing yourself. If you think in a constructive way about overachievement, you
Mm-hmm.
can think that you have undervalued yourself.
Right.
And that happens sometimes when you undervalue yourself and do more than that, like increase your value a little bit higher.
Right.
Yeah, so that thing can be
Uh,
derived, but analysis is the like I think analysis is the key to know the facts and figures behind your overachievement and underachievement and achievement.
Everything basically.
I think overachievement due to overthinking.
what?
How
No, 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 no. You are getting it in wrong way
how
because
over
I am talking about the just like company have a target of 200 200 products.
and
Okay.
they
And,
made 400
uh,
products.
uh, uh, they made 400 products. That this is the overachievement. Just like I'm expecting 1 CR growth in my revenue, but I get 5 CR revenue.
Yeah,
I'm talking about that.
Okay. 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 Sorry.
Yeah, it's like you are expecting about 60% in your boards exam, and you got
yeah,
90%.
Yeah,
So that is
yeah,
yeah.
overachievement, and what it leads to, like what are its
yeah,
consequences if you
yeah.
are secured
It is
90%.
more it's very harmful actually.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Actually, it's also for that we get it is related with our competence. Just like we are less focused on that in future
Yeah,
anything
obviously.
that target. And one thing's also we get pressurized if we get
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, yeah,
less we can't achieve that new target, then we
Hmm.
get pressurized. How
yeah.
this happened
Yeah,
last
Yeah.
time
it's
we get,
maintaining success.
yeah,
Maintaining success is very much higher than getting success.
Hmm.
yeah,
Like
So
every
that's the
time
thing.
you
exactly
set
that,
a new milestone after
Yeah,
overachieving.
yeah.
yeah. That's the thing. So how much time has passed, Aditya?
33. It's
Because
33.
so let's wrap this up.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
already
It is a
Yeah.
30
great
minutes.
session, I think.
Yeah, definitely. It is.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was a great time, but actually he little bit it goes off topic and
in,
some kind of stuff. We
yeah,
will try to improve that next time.
yeah,
I've
yeah,
sent all of you guys the link of this. Okay, I will
yeah, I
mention in the
have seen that.
description box also.
Hmm.
So if you guys are like interested, you can read that. It is a good read.
Yeah, sure.
So
Yeah.
And
bye bye
if you
everyone.
have a kind of syndromes, please comment in
Let
that
us know.
platform.
Yeah. If you have
Yeah,
your
please.
views on this and if you want to get listen or discuss on some other syndrome, you can comment it down below.
Yeah,
Okay.
surely, surely.
So, so